Welcome to List It Live, where we show you San Diego's hottest homes for sale. We are joined today with Sara Alavi. Sara, how are you?
Thank you so much. I'm well. How are you?
I am so good. I'm so excited to have you on today because this home is a stunner.
It's a beautiful piece of property.
It's amazing. Let's see what you have for sale today in Rancho Santa Fe, one of my favorite areas.
I know. This is located in a Covenant in Rancho Santa Fe, the older neighborhood of the ranch, basically. It's a single-story property. It's 6,800, a little over 6,800 square feet with 3.32 acres of lot, mostly usable. And we have actually infinity pool here, which are grandfather for any home in San Diego because they don't permit them any longer. So they are kind of part of the collectives for anyone who owns it now. And the house has 5 bedrooms, 6 baths.
Holy cow.
And it's beautiful for entertainment, outdoor, indoor. It has great area. And as you can see, there's so many details, high-end appliances like the Viking oven and stove, family room, living room, entertainment room. They're all existing. So one wing side of the house has a master bedroom and all the other bedrooms, and the other side has a maid and the guest room as well.
Oh my gosh.
And it's part of the Roger Row in Rancho Santa Fe School District, which is a highly desirable one.
Oh yeah.
And so not only you get to easily walk to the ranch, but also you can, enjoy all the amenities the ranch offers. Across from this property is located the horse trail. So those who own horses, they can just easily go across the street and ride their horses.
Oh yeah. I've just been staring at this home. I've been looking at it.
Has a very European flair to it.
Yes.
So they have collected over time so many items, and part of those items are actually available to come with the property, or they can leave them for the next owner.
Yes, it is a very grand home, and it feels very welcoming and warm. Sometimes when you get into these large homes, you feel very isolated and almost like a museum. This one feels like a true home.
This is really good. And what I love about this house is from both sides of the house, you get plenty of lighting and plenty of view. So the house, the backyard is directed toward southwest, so you get tons of sunlight, and your pool is going to be always warm and nice. And the other bedrooms that are located on the other side of the house also in the morning has plenty of lighting and bright sunshine.
Oh my gosh, well look at that. And look at all that parking too.
I know it has 4-car garage, and the garages are separated, so it's perfect. And it has actually additional space, so if somebody wants to add a tennis court or a basketball court, that has special area that they can convert that area as well.
That's amazing. And for those who don't know, Rancho Santa Fe really is a highly coveted area here in San Diego.
It is. It's like one of the most expensive and zip codes in the country, actually.
Yeah, I mean, it would make sense because it is a very fitting area and it's a very safe area.
It is very safe.
Very safe.
Absolutely very safe.
Very beautiful. I love going to the inn in Rancho Santa Fe.
Yes.
One of the best spas, and their restaurants over there too.
I love time at the ranch, actually.
Oh,
it's
time
like,
in the ranch. I just had a salad there the other
I
day.
know, and they have delicious pastries.
Ooh.
So I don't want to go there.
I guess I'm going there after this. Everybody keeps on making me hungry on the show today. So I am obsessed with this property. I truly cannot wait to see who purchases this lovely home in Rancho Santa Fe, 6833 Las Colinas in Rancho Santa Fe, 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, almost 7,000 square feet. Definitely a lot of usable land as well with that infinity pool.
Oh, yes.
I want to jump right into it. Sara, your information is on the screen. If anybody wants a private tour of this home, you are the person to reach out to.
Just contact me.
Yeah. Sara would love to show you this wonderful home, and you will be able to call this home yours. Thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.